Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some basic maths question that people fail to solve it. That looks simple, but still many people make silly mistakes and reach at wrong answer. So in this video, I'll teach you some basic methods to solve it and always reach at correct answer. So let's start with today's video solution. So our first math expression is 8 divided 4 bracket 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 times 4 is 16 and 8 divided by 16 is 8 by 16 which is equals to 1 by 2 or 0.5 which is the incorrect answer. People solve it like this and forget the order of operation which is also known as PEMDAS rule. This operation helps you to choose what to solve first. First you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent. It is multiplication, division, both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, A and S, it addition and subtraction, just solve it from left to right. So now let's rewrite the expression 8 divided 4 bracket 2 plus 2. So by following order of operation, that is PEMDAS rule, you have to solve it like this. First solve the parenthesis, that is bracket 2 plus 2, 4. Now what is left? 8 divided by 4 multiply 4. So here you have two operation left, that is division and multiplication, both have same priority, but just you have to solve it from left to right. From left it is division. So we can write 8 divided by 4 times 4 which is equals to 2 times 4 which is 8. So what is the correct answer? 8, not 0.5. I hope it's clear and you learned something new and how to apply this PEMDAS rule in this type of expression. If you follow the right approach, you will always reach at right answer. Now let's learn the new expression. So in this new expression, 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6. So people solve it by cancel out 6 with 6 and 6 divided by 1. Write 6, which is the incorrect answer. Yes, because they did not follow the right approach. Because if the question is like this, 6 multiply 1 by 6 times 6, then you can cancel out this and write 6. But what is given? 6 divided 1 by 6. 6 divided 1 by 6, you have to follow KCF rule. What it is? K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So the expression become 6 multiply 6 by 1 times 6. Now you can't cancel it, right? That's why they reached that wrong answer because they did not take the right approach. So rewrite the expression 6 divided 1 by 6 times 6 and we'll write 6 and then division turns to multiplication and flip the 1 by 6 to 6 by 1 times 6. So what is left? 6 times 6 times 6 which is equals to 36 times 6, 216. So what is the correct answer? 216, not 6. With a single operation, you will reach that wrong answer. So do you learn something new? If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So now let's learn the next expression. So in this expression, we have given 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7. So let's solve this. 7 minus 7, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. And 0 times 0 is 0. People solve it like this. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Incorrect, right. Because they did not follow the right approach, that is PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis. If given, first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Similarly, A and S is addition, subtraction, just solve it from left to right. So rewrite the expression 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7. So you have given two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So you have to give priority to multiplication as per PEMDAS rule. So multiplication sign is between 7 and 7. So 7 minus 7 times 7 is 49 minus 7. Now you have only one operation left, that is subtraction. So 7 minus 49 is minus 42 minus 7 which is minus 49. So what is the correct answer? Minus 49, not 0. If you follow right approach, you will always reach at right answer. I hope it's clear, you find it useful. So now let's learn the next expression. So our next expression is 21 divided 3 bracket 3 plus 4. It looks simple, right? But what people do? 3 plus 4, 7. 3 times 7 as 21 and 21 divided by 21 as 1. Which is incorrect, right? Because they did not follow PEMDAS rule, which help you to decide what operation you have to solve first. So let's apply this rule. Rewrite the expression 21 divided by 3 bracket 3 plus 4. So as per this PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis. Parenthesis is 3 plus 4, that is 7. Now read out the left out terms 21 divided by 3. So what is the sign comes when no sign is given in between bracket and the number? Multiplication. Now you have two operations left, that is division and multiplication. Both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. So in left 21 divided by 3, that multiplies 7. 21 divided by 3 is 7 and 7 times 7 is 49. So what is the correct answer? 49, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find out what people do and what mistakes they do, right? So now let's learn the next expression. So our next expression is 6 minus 5 bracket 5 minus 6. This looks also simple. If you crack this, comment down below what is the right answer and pause the video here and check out my solution. And if you love this type of question, comment down below. I will get more question like this and clear your doubt on this. And if you have another question, you have doubt, comment down that also. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. Now, in this 6 minus 5 bracket 5 minus 6, what people do, they write it 1 and they write it minus 1 and they do the multiplication and reach at minus 1. And we know that it is wrong because they did not follow PEMDAS rule. So, as per PEMDAS rule, first we have to give priority to parenthesis. So, our parenthesis is 5 minus 6 minus 1. Now, rewrite the left out terms, that is 6 minus 5 times minus 1. Now, we have two operations given, that is subtraction and multiplication. So, we have to give priority to multiplication. So, multiplication sign is between 5 and 1. So, 6 minus 5 times minus 1 is plus 5 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So, what is the correct answer? 11, not minus 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And your homework question for today is 3 minus 2 bracket 2 minus 3. Comment down below what is the right answer of this. The first right answer I will pin. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.